Hello beauties! Today I will review one of my favorite eyeshadow palette, that is Tarteist Pro to Go by Tarte. So let's get into it. Have a look at swatches. In the first row we have Drive, Style and Emboss, and in the second one Hype, Crisp and Dominate. So in the natural light without a primer or any base you can see how they perform, and these are only single swap, really pigmented. They can work well without primer also. This one, Hype, is my favorite. I love the way how they applied on the skin, and you can create many looks with these. You can create day looks and night looks, evening looks. These eyeshadows work well over bare skin as well as over primer. But primer did not feel necessary except for really long wear. On their official website, it costs you around 95 dirhams. But sometimes really nice sales are going on and you can get it for 65 to 70 dirhams. So I have two more honorable mentions along with this. Tarte Maracuja oil. It is a multi-purpose oil. You can use it on your face, on your lips, eyes. It is very effective and I use it after removing my eye makeup. It is very calming, very soothing, and some of my friends they use it before their primer. If you have very dry under eye area or if you have very dry eyelids, you can use it before in a very small quantity, and it is a very beautiful product. It is in travel size. And the next product is my favorite, and that I always use with my Tartiest Pro to Go eyeshadows. It is Tarte's Kitten eyeliner. It is a very black eyeliner that gives a matte look, and it really goes well with these eyeshadows. Just check the swatch. How black is that? In natural light, you can see the real effects of the cosmetics. So these three things are my everyday go-to favorite products, and I hope you like the video. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much. Until next time. Bye bye.